Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by selecting reliable raw materials and an angle. This shapes the piece. Once you have verified sources, interviews, public records, photos, decide whether you will build a collage, infographic, or immersive photo essay and why that form amplifies the story. Make sure to obtain permissions for any proprietary media and to note dates and context. This preserves credibility. Begin assembling a reference folder and sketch a quick layout so you can move immediately into creative production. You now convert verified material into coherent visuals, choosing what evidence becomes a timeline, pull quote, or icon. Once chosen, prioritize hierarchy so viewers read in the intended order. Use contrast, color, and spacing to guide attention while keeping text readable. Make iterative drafts and test small sections for accuracy and emotional tone. This helps you refine pacing and emphasis. Keep an edit log and annotate each element with its source and date. Because transparency strengthens both. You finish by running final fact checks, confirming attributions, and completing any required legal review so nothing legally risky goes public. Once done, export optimized files, web-friendly resolutions, print CMYK if needed, and include alt text and captions for accessibility. This widens reach and preserves intent. Make sure to package source notes along with the piece. If feedback reveals errors, respond quickly. Issue corrections, update the piece, and document changes to maintain trust.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.